So after just starting classes at university in Georgia, Zahara was spotted with her mom in New York. She develops her new life. I'm so happy for her. And what an amazing mom Angelina is. She's doing a great job sending her kids to get an education. It's nice that she encouraged her children to choose higher education. Well done, Angie. So far, all of Angelina's children have chosen to attend university. Maddox is graduating. She's doing something way better than most celebrity parents. Angelina Jolie was spotted out in a rainy New York City with her daughter Zahara Jolie on Tuesday morning. This comes 2 months after the actress dropped the teen off at Spelman College in Georgia. Zahara is likely enjoying a quick break with mom in Manhattan. Guys, I want to thank you all for your support and kind words. It's so important to me. Thank you for that, and bye for now.